Now, your Storm Track 9 weather.
It was a windy morning, and this sign may prove it. The Bushka sign just across the street from News 9 looks like it was blown over this morning. It was a sight to see when I came in. Should we expect more wind like that?
Boy, the winds were howling last night, whistling around the corner of my house, kind of making it difficult to get any sleep last night because of the nature of the winds. Yesterday was breezy but mild. Today was windy and it turned cold across the area. In fact, even now it's chilly out there. Current temperature readings over the western Great Lakes region have really plunged today after reaching into the 50s yesterday. Right now, temperature readings are down in the 20s and 30s. Now, this is a pretty good-sized chunk of cold air that swung southeastward out of Canada today, but if you look to the west, it's much warmer. We go from 29 degrees right now in Rhinelander to 48 in Bismarck, North Dakota, and 48 also in Pierre, South Dakota. So it's chilly now, but there's warm air just to the west. It's going to start pouring this way as early as the day tomorrow. Nonetheless, though, in the meantime, we're going to be dealing with the chilly conditions through this evening and tonight. In fact, current wind chill values range from the mid to upper teens to low 20s. The winds are diminishing now, won't be as strong the rest of this evening and tonight as they were during the day, but still from the northwest, acting on the chilly conditions to make it feel even worse out there. Our Storm Track 9 satellite and radar view, though, does show there's basically clear skies over Wisconsin now, and as we look to the northwest, not much coming at us in cloud cover, but that cold and dry air pouring across the Great Lakes is leading to lake effect snow showers just to the east of Wisconsin. I'm not sorry that we're missing out on that. I'm sure you're not as well. We'll have plenty to deal with tonight on the cold, mainly clear skies. Lows in the area at 21 to 26. West winds laying down some to 6 to 15 miles per hour. That will create wind chill values in the low to mid-teens toward morning. For today in Wausau, the low was 27, the high 37. Not a very good start to the month of November. The average low and high are 31 and 48. And of course, with the time change, the sun set this evening, or this afternoon, I should say, at 46 minutes past 4 p.m. But look at this dramatic turnaround that we're expecting. High tomorrow of 47, 56 on Election Day, 61 on Wednesday, and by later in the week, we could set a record high temperature or come close, especially on Saturday. My forecast high for Wausau is 67. The record high on that date is 68 degrees. Right now, we're chilly because the jet stream is buckling over the eastern part of the country, but as we go through the week, the jet stream will relax and allow the weather systems to come at us from the Pacific Ocean. That means much warmer air will be on the way, and as I said, we might even set a record here or there in the area. But the chilly start to the day tomorrow at 7 a.m., temperatures at 23 to 28. Wind picking up, but from the southwest at 8 to 18 miles per hour will bring us those wind chills in the low to mid-teens. But tomorrow afternoon, it will be mild. With mostly sunny skies, we're expecting highs in the low to mid-40s to the north of Wausau and to the south, perhaps touching the low 50s, with the west wind diminishing some at 8 to 15 miles per hour. From there, we go to a mild forecast. Breezy at times Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but hardly any rain in this forecast. Let's just enjoy the mild conditions. Looks like early next week we'll have rain and it will start to turn much cooler again.